this brings up such an important point about the way the government is going to operate. And I'll say I focus most on the intelligence community and the Department of Defense, but it applies, I think, just equally as well to the national labs, is the government is not going to have a choice. It's going to have to protect its data. So it's going to need something that it would consider secure. Call it an enclave, call it what you will, but it needs to have access. And whether that is bringing in an existing model and building on top of it, fine-tuning it, retrieval augmented generation, I mean, all those techniques I think are going to play out over the next couple of years. The point is the government has data that nobody else has access to, and probably in many cases shouldn't have access to. I would say probably, because I would set aside some things like some data, say, related to veterans would be really useful for everybody to have access to, because you can help the society with a bunch of problems, medical problems, all these other things. But in some cases, when we talk warfighting or intelligence, we have to protect that. And you can't just take an open source model and make this just on top of it. You have to figure out how you're going to protect that.